In this video we will have a look how to design the fixture plate and fixture assembly. First, we create a sketch of fixture plate and then we will extrude it to desired height. Now we can create the sketch for first and third setup as they are made in the same spot. We create a contour line of the workpiece and place it 21 millimeters from the plate sides. Holes for the fixture clamps are made. They must be 10.15 millimeters away from the workpiece. So this one here, this hole will be for first setup and this will be used for third setup. Because at third setup the width of the part is 38 millimeters, but at first setup it is 41 millimeters. A hole for hex socket head cap bolt is also made at this, and this is placed 5 millimeters from the workpiece. For fixture clamp pockets are made. These clamps are square and one side is 19.05 millimeter in length, and this pocket is 30 millimeters wide, so the round corners wouldn't block fixture grip assembly. To create all the holes to the other side, we just mirror these holes over this mirror line. And now the sketch is ready. And now we just got the pockets and also got all the holes. And there is place for two more pair of workpieces. To create pockets and holes for them we just mirror our first sketch features. So mirror it one time and another time. Now the first setup is ready. For second setup, contour sketch of the part is copied and positioned in the right place. And there we use two different types of uniform clamps, so we need to make two different pocket sizes. This is for the wider one and this is the smaller one. The width of this clamp is 38.1 millimeters. And this is how far apart these two sketches are placed. And basically this is for the second setup. To finish all the setup we just mirror this feature over this mirror line and we get the third pair of second setup. Now fixture plate is ready and we can assemble all parts to it. For this we create another design. This is the design final, and first we insert the fixture plate and ground it, and now we just start adding another components to this workpiece. First we add our part, we place the part and mirror it to another places. Next we add the uniforms clamp, we position it and add another one, position, and mirror it. Next we add the fixture grip clamp, also position it and add another, position, mirror 1, mirror 2. Now we add fixture clamp. So we position it, and as it is placed in square pattern, we can use the pattern command and place the other 3 ones. Now we add the hex head socket bolts. We place these ones to go into these holes. Put another one and mirror them to these holes. Now we add our stock. This is which this part will be made of. We position the stock in the right place. You can see that it touches these clamps and these clamps and this fixture element. Now we just mirror it and get it to another places. Lastly, we will add our part here. This is needed for the CAM programming. I will hide all these parts now. So this is also positioned, and the position is 10 millimeters from the fixture plate and 2.5 millimeters from the fixture grip clamps and 2.5 millimeters from this fixture element. And to get the other parts, we just mirror this one. And now our assembly for first and second setup is ready. For third setup, we use the first setup place. For this we also create a new design, add fixture plate to it and ground it. First we add clamping elements and place it. Then we add fixture grip clamps and place it. Add fixture clamp. Use pattern command. Mirror the other parts. Now we add our third setup part. We place it where we need it, and now we just mirror all these elements to another places. And so our third setup is ready.